Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today I will meet again with me, Miss Opik, for learning a poems. Okay, today we would like to share about what is the best way to make some analysis of the poems. Okay, this is a good poem. This is a really old poem, but in a good rhyme, and then that will be nice for us to learn about how to analyze the poem, and then how to know the meaning of the poem, and then how to identify the poetic device of the poem. Okay, so I will share you how to make it up. Okay, and then you after this try to make it up for the stanzas. Okay, I will give you some examples, the stanzas of the first stanzas of this poem. Okay, so this is a poem by William Wordsworth. Okay, Wordsworth. Okay, so I wandered lonely as a cloud. Okay, so when we watch about this poem, there will be one. Okay, there will be uh, one and one and two and three and four. There will be four stanzas in this poem. So the forms of the poem is four stanzas, and then um, we would like to. Okay, we would like to show you about how to know about the form. Okay, this is one, and then two, and then three, and then four stanzas. And then we start from the first stanzas. We know about the devices. You know, the devices is the rhyme actually. The rhyme. We will learn about the basic of the analysis of the poem. The rhyme here is for the poem is really strict. Okay, let's check it out. And then the rhyme here is different from Bahasa Indonesia and Bahasa Inggris. If in Bahasa Indonesia, the rhyme will be called it from the ending of the vocal or consonant of the poem, but for the English one, we can make it into letter A and then B. Okay, let's see. The to identify the poem, uh, to identify the poem, we would like to share about. Okay, this is cloud and then crowd. This is the same one. Okay, and then for this one, hills and then daffodils, it is ending with the S1. Okay, and then the last one is for trees and then breeze. Okay, that will be the same one because that ending with is. And then for the poem of English, if we would like to identify it about the poem, we would like to share it about cloud. Okay, for the first line in the first stanza, it could be A. Okay, and then hills is different, so that will be B. And then crowd D again will be will be A. And then B for the crowd will be B. Will be B. And then uh for the freeze and then breeze, it will be C, and then the other is C. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. So the rhyme in this poem is about stanzas. Okay. The sorry. Okay. The poem of this the rhyme of the stanzas, we can see that. Sorry. Okay. So. mm We already knows about that one. Okay, so A, B, A, B, C, Z. Okay, so because this is a cloud one, and then it's a code one. So, ladies and gentlemen, and my lovely students, you will do that one the rhyme for the second stanzas. Okay, for the second stanzas, and then uh, for the third stanzas, for the third stanzas and the fourth stanzas in your home, and then we will discuss it on the video conference, okay? And then how about how about uh how about the imagery? Let's see. Okay, I wandered lonely as a cloud. Okay, let's see about this. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Okay, here we go. Ada kata as di situ. There is an as, so it will be same as, such as, like as. So that will be simil for the imagery. Jadi imagery atau gaya bahasanya adalah simil. And then for the second one, that floats on high or values and heals. Okay? That floats. That-nya berarti siapa? Kita harus tahu dulu that-nya siapa. That-nya itu adalah the cloud. Nah, kalau udah tahu the cloud-nya adalah the cloud, maka kita juga tahu bahwa, sorry, bahwa eh di sini floats kok cloud-nya adalah floats on high and values. Jadi mengalir. Padahal kan cloud di situ not just like water, okay? The float is water, okay? So it could be in a metaphor karena dibandingkan dengan hal yang sama tapi tanpa like, tanpa as, tanpa such. So that will be metaphor, okay? So let's see, this is a simile. Okay, this is a metaphor. Okay. Okay. So next for the third lines, okay? When all at was so a crowd. A house, okay? Let's see, a house here. Okay, who is the house? A house. This is remorting to the daffodils one. So, daffodil sebagai tuan rumah itu kan seolah-olah seperti manusia. So, what is the imagery? Okay, good. That is personification. Okay, personification. And then besides the lakes, beneath of the trees itu masih apa ya, kata-kata yang biasa karena memang daffodils itu memang sesemakan yang bunga semak yang memang hidupnya besides the trees and the likes of that one ya, tapi tidak di lake pun juga bisa. Oke, kemudian let's see for the last line of the first stanza. Oke, fluttering, dancing. Who? Siapa yang flattering? Who is flattering? Who is dancing? Dancing flattering kan biasanya sama manusia ya. Nggak mungkin juga itu adalah daffodils karena fluttering dancing di sini adalah daffodilsnya ya. So that will be same again. It is a personification. And then kita udah tahu tone-nya adalah ini adalah something lonely dari judulnya ya. Jadi tone-nya adalah lonely. And then kemudian that's this breeze. Okay, let's change about the name. Okay, breeze. Okay, from the breeze we know berarti authornya itu uh, writing this poem itu when the situation is in what season? Okay, good. That will be in a winter season. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, my students, that's how to analyze, to understand about the meaning, about the forms, about poetic device, and then about the imagery of the or figurative language of the poems. Okay. Kemudian for the second, the third, and the fourth stanza, please do it by yourself. I know you can do that one. Okay, honey. And then we can say that we know about the meaning of the poem by reading it not only one is enough for reading that one. It's more than three times. So we know about what is the tone, what is the forms, and then what is the imagery or the poetic devices, and then about the meaning of the devices. So we can know about the moral values of the poem. So still keep learning about that one, keep doing of that one, keep doing a goodness because keep doing learning in the poem karena puisi bisa melembutkan hati dan Anda menjadi orang yang berkarakter baik dan semoga semuanya dalam rahmat Tuhan. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you next meeting for the video conference. Thank you. Bye-bye.